Rhai munudau wedi chwarae yn yr hanner cynta yma. Y tîm cartre yn edrych yn weddol gyfforddus ac yn pwyso. Y cynniad da gan Spittle a'r flic ymlaen i Given y Rwyd. Aberystwyth ar y blaen, Phillips yn dathlu, ond i ail gol y tymor hyn. Y tafliad hir tuag at yr amddiffynwr canol mawr, Johnny Spittle. Y flic yn ddigon rwydd i gyfeiriad Phillips. A'r symla o gyffyrddiadau i Joe Phillips i gasglu ail gol y tymor hyn. Young at Wade. Dan bwysau gan chwaraewyr canol ca Kay Connor. Un ohonyn nhw Bakar yn gwneud yn dda. Cyfle am groesiad. Wild yn aros ar y postyn pella ar ben ei hunan. Yn Ciro McKenna. Ac yn unioni'r sgôr. Bakare ar gwaith celfydd gyda'i drad ar y chwyth. Y croesiad yn ddwfn wedyn. Yr uchel. Mae rhaid i McKenna gystadlu yn dosau, neu mae rhaid i Mygylyc y golwr i ddod mas. Young. Llawer o drod wyth, ond mae'r drod ddyn a'n gawrain at Phillips! Young yn dathlu hefyd. A dwi'n amau fod y blaenor Joe Phillips ddim wedi cyffwrdd ohona. Ond mae'r croesiad yn pasio pawb gan gynnwys Joe Phillips ac yn sboncio. Yn ddigon llipa i Given y Rwyd. A'r tîm cartre nôl ar y blaen. Walker. Canol Melvin, tro cynta yn croesi, Pêl Beryglus. Horan yn methu clirio. Phillips! Tair i un! Camsyniad ar ôl camsyniad yn y cefen. George Horan, y capten profiadol y tro yma, ar gic hosan. Y bêl yn dod i gyfeiriad Joe Phillips. Yn taro honna i'r gornel. Pearson. O problem yn cael ei achasu gan amddiffyn. Kay Connor, pêl wych gan Walker at Phillips, un am un. Phillips yn mentro am ei hat-trick. O, ac yn claddu'n wych! Joe Phillips. Yr holl waith caled ar ôl pas anhygoel gan Declan Walker. Joe Phillips. Y ddawn i giro i ddyn. Ac i lithro honna yn berffaith eibio i Danby am ei hat-trick cynta yn uwch gyngred Cymru. Caniad ymlaen, mae Andrew Owens yn pwyso, yn creu problemau, mae wedi curo i ddyn. Ac Owens yn llithro honna, fodfeddi heibio i'r ddau bostyn. Phillips, pêl uchel, tuag at Wild. Peniad gwych gan Wild i gyfeiriad Owens! I lawr yn y cwd chwech, y mynnu fod wedi lusgo lawr gan yr amddiffynwr. Dim byd medde'r dyfarnwr. Cic gornel fyr. Cyfle i groesi tua'r bostyn pella, y peniad gan Heath yn y diwedd. Pwyso'n parhau, Wolf ar asgellwr, cymanu Pêl Beryglus arall. Y peniad nôl gan Owen, i Given y Rwyd, mae'n ddathlu. Kay Connor wedi dwy'n un yn ôl. Yr eilydd Andrew Owens yn manteisio ar y peniad da gan Matty Owen nôl ar hyd wyneb y gôl. Mae gwaith da fan hyn gan Kay Connor, mae Wild yn aros yn y canol, yn aros am y bêl, mae Owens yn mynd ar ben ei hunan ar arbediad gan Mylyc, yn cadw i dîm ddwy gol ar y blaen. Pearson lan tuag at Andrew Owens yn ennill y peniad. Bêl mas i ymyl y cwrt. Owen i'r canol, Wild yn ei chladdu ddi, ond mae'r liman wedi chodi. Wild ar ben ei hunan, y tu ôl i'r amddiffyn, ond wedi mentro fymryn yn gynnar a'r liman yn ei gosbia.
Nev Powell, what a performance, what a result as well against the best defence in the league.
Exactly, we can do that on our day, can't we? And the game had everything. You know, what a game of football. You know, we get goals, ball on the floor. And then obviously they changed it second half and get the extra big man up there, and they must have put 300 balls in the box, but without a shadow of a doubt, that's our biggest performance of the season.
No, they're never a freak result. They'll happen again if you don't go about things in the right way. You know, if you don't start right and if you don't win them individual battles in that first 15-20 minutes, that'll happen again. You know, we've got to go away and look at the video, and I've got to point out to the players why they lost the game, and then to make sure they don't do that again. You know, make sure that we're better for it, because you know, thankfully we've got we've got the video evidence of it, so I can show it to the players and say, if you prepare or you start a game in that manner, you'll lose games of football. It's just not good enough, and that's not like us. Disappointed. The positives, I thought Andy Owen was immense when he came on. I thought he caused them all sorts of problems, and on another day, if things had dropped for us right in the box, it could have been maybe 5-5. But fair play to Aber. Credit to them. They were much better than us in the first half, and they cemented the game.
Joe Phillips, hat-trick hero. How does it feel?
I've been asked that a fair bit at the moment. It's brilliant. I mean, I've said it before in other results. The most important factor is that we got the 3 points which we really needed on the back of a couple of poor performances and results. We knew what they were about, having gone to their place and not had the best of evenings, but in terms of our play, we can't really fault it. We've been fantastic tonight. We scored 4 goals against a team which you wouldn't expect us to, so it's another good evening. Yeah,
it's also 3 goals against the best defence in the league. That must feel even more of an accomplishment. Yeah,
it was a perfect hat-trick as well, I think, right foot, left foot, head, so I'll take that home with me. But I mean, that's done now. We've got a break, then we've got the cup game against Cardiff Met coming up, so we need to focus on that and knuckle down in training in between now and then. But I'm going to enjoy it while I can, because it's a nice feeling.
Looking at the league then, it's perhaps you've lost your grasp maybe on TNS, and now it's more of a battle for that second place?
Yeah, when you look at the table, I think it's always been that. I think that's them maybe 9-12 points clear, whatever it is, I'm not sure. But it's a battle. When we're sat in second place, which is a reflection of 22 games, and when whoever comes up behind or whatever it is, it's going to make for a terrific top 6. It's going to be very intense, and every game's going to be. We've got 10 cup finals, and it's whatever team can put a bit of form together, whatever team can hit a good run. We'll cement that second and third place, which should get Europe.